How to invite someone to join TikTok Live. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open TikTok. Click on the plus sign at the bottom. And at the very right side next to text, you should see the live option if you meet the requirements to start a live. Go ahead and click on live, and then click on go live at the bottom. Once you do this, you'll see 3 dots at the bottom right corner. Click on that, and you'll see a list of friends that you can invite. Click on the invite option. Once they accept your invite, they will be able to join your TikTok Live. In the help section of TikTok, you can also look at how to invite multi-guests on TikTok Live. So with the multi-guest feature, you can allow different creators to host guests during their live video. Viewer can send guest requests, or creators can invite a limited number of guests to connect in audio or video mode. So as you can see, once your live is open, you can click on the multi-guest option at the bottom of your screen. Then tap invite and select other creators or friends to join as guests. And then tap accept to approve your friends or viewers' request to join your live. So this is how to invite someone to join TikTok Live. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.